Think your phone is safe at the beach? Think again. Today, we're unboxing the legendary Pelican Marine Waterproof Pouch. Whether you're heading on a 2026 summer cruise or hitting the local lake, you need protection that actually works. We're testing the IP68 rating, the touchscreen sensitivity, and most importantly, does it really float? Let's dive in and see if this is truly the ultimate travel essential for your smartphone. Product number 1. Pelican 2-Pack Marine IP68 Waterproof Phone Pouch, Regular. The Pelican Marine series sets the gold standard for aquatic device protection. This 2-pack is a beach and cruise essential, offering an IP68 rating that ensures your phone remains bone dry even when submerged. What sets Pelican apart is the integrated air padding that allows the case to float, preventing your device from sinking to the dark depths if dropped overboard. The clear window is highly touch responsive, allowing you to snap high-quality underwater photos without lag. Its universal sizing fits most standard smartphones snugly, and the included lanyard is heavy-duty enough for active water sports. For those seeking unboxing satisfaction, the build quality feels premium right out of the gate, offering a secure seal that clicks with authority, giving you peace of mind during any tropical excursion. Product number 2. Unbreak Cable Floating Waterproof Phone Pouch 2-Pack. Unbreak Cable lives up to its name by focusing on the structural integrity of the seal and the lanyard attachment point, often the weakest link in dry bags. Rated at IPX8, these pouches are designed for deep immersion during kayaking or snorkeling. The specialized TPU material is exceptionally transparent, which is critical for facial recognition software and clear video recording. Like the Pelican, these pouches feature a built-in life jacket air circle to ensure flotation. During our review, we found the locking mechanism to be incredibly smooth, requiring less force than competitors while maintaining a vacuum-tight seal. It is a fantastic value-oriented alternative that doesn't compromise on the safety of your iPhone or Android device while navigating rocky riverbeds or crowded cruise decks. Product number 3. Toros IP68 Waterproof Phone Pouch, Double Space. Toros has innovated the traditional pouch design by introducing double space logic. This pouch is specifically engineered for the latest large format devices like the iPhone 17 Pro Max or the Samsung S26. The extra internal volume prevents the sticking effect, often seen in tighter pouches, making it much easier to slide your phone in and out. Its IP68 certification is bolstered by a multi-layer closure system that feels remarkably high-tech. The lanyard is adjustable and skin-friendly, designed for long days of wear during vacations. If you are looking for a case that balances cutting-edge protection with enough room to fit a phone that already has a slim protective cover on it, this Toros model is the top professional choice for 2026. Product number 4. Lamicall Waterproof Phone Pouch Case 2-Pack. Lamicall focuses on the easy lock experience, making this the most user-friendly option for families or those who need to access their phones frequently. The heavy-duty IPX8 construction utilizes a reinforced top bar that snaps shut with a tactile click, ensuring a waterproof barrier against sand, snow, and surf. It is an excellent gift protector because of its ruggedized edges, which provide a bit more impact resistance than the average thin film pouch. In our testing, the screen sensitivity remained high even when wet, which is often a pain point for cheaper alternatives. The 2-pack configuration makes it a cost-effective solution for couples heading to the beach, providing professional-grade security without a steep price tag. Product number 5. Pelican Marine IP68 Waterproof Phone Pouch XL Size. For users with Max or Ultra series phones or those who use bulky, rugged cases, the Pelican Marine XL is the definitive heavyweight champion. It retains all the elite features of the regular size: IP68 waterproofing, floating capabilities, and the signature Pelican durability, but scales the dimensions to accommodate the largest hardware on the market. The XL version is particularly popular for unboxing enthusiasts because of its specialized high-visibility borders, making it easy to spot in choppy water. The optical-grade window ensures that even with a larger surface area, there is zero distortion in your 4K video clips. It's a professional-grade tool for creators who need their high-end smartphones protected in the most demanding marine environments.